Today's video is going to be very different from my usual hauls. I didn't have the best week, to be completely honest with you guys, so I don't want to sit here and pretend like I'm in the best mood and everything is fine and just go through each piece of clothing, rambling on and on about what it looks like when you can actually see what it looks like when I'm showing you guys. So I wanted this video to keep most of the attention on the try-on part and also on the come shopping with me part. So I hope that you like this style of haul video instead, and I really hope that you will enjoy it. I want this video to be real. Like, I feel like everything that I'm saying is fake and it's rambling. It's not interesting to listen to whatsoever. I already filmed this video twice and I just wasn't happy with it. So I'm doing this instead, and I hope that it's more fun and it's just like a cute upbeat haul video instead. So I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and also let me know what your favorite piece is. As always, I'm really interested to see what you guys would have chosen out of everything that I picked. If you have any questions about anything that I show in the video that I didn't put a description on or a detail on, or information that you would need, let me know in the comments and I'll always answer you guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you next week when I'm back. Bye!